from business understanding to analytical approach. Business understanding is the first stage of any project. It helps you identify key business sponsors, the steering committee, and internal sponsors. It also helps you identify who needs the analytical solution. What is the business need? What is the customer need? And finally, the benefits. This includes defining the problem, project objectives, and solution requirements from a business perspective. This first stage lays the foundation for a successful end result. The chosen analytical approach determines not just business requirements, but also the data requirements. Specifically, analytic methods to be used, hardware and software, data content, formats, and representations. All these together determine business objectives.